So these are our kaumātua, and they're the forget-me-not rōpū. This kaupapa is all about teaching and sharing what I know about sewing and how to make these kākahu. So I was asked by Ginger and Sylvia if I would do what I do with our kaumātua, and it's like, absolutely. And it's been so beautiful, just been so awesome. The expressions on their faces, the appreciation that's shown, it's a real buzz for me.
It's just not korowai. We've been, as we're on this kaupapa, we're getting educated at the same time. I think it's awesome. It's neat. It's gives us something to do. But now, since I became a kaumātua, very educational, very must do, and I'm proud of our people that they find things like this for us to do. You know, because we love it, we enjoy, we can't wait for the next day.
I've never ever made a kākahu, and that's my first one, and the other is being here with all my mates, and that's a big thing for me, yeah, just to be here with them and enjoy the day.
I'm associated with them for a while. They've, you know, as I said, we're all whānau, and it's marvellous, and it gets me out of my house because I don't go far. Well, I can't do much, but I've done putting sand in a jar and painting sort of way. It's marvellous. I can't explain it because it's nothing I thought I could do.
Seeing their faces when their garments are finished, when their kākahu's finished, or even when we just put the first line of hururu on. There are many that have sewn for years, and there are many that have never touched a sewing machine. They soon learn. They soon learn how to use a sewing machine, how to thread it, how it works. So, and that's a bonus for me, because at the end of the day, I think, this is my whakaaro, that every house should have a sewing machine. Well, I think with this particular kaupapa, with the kahu huruhurus, it's going to give them a sense of whakapapa when they wear it, a sense of pride. So I know this is not what a normal korowai looks like. In fact, korowai don't actually have feathers. And I know this is not traditional, but it's the next best thing. And feathers were always used in kākahu. When you're covered with feathers, it just makes you feel like you're wearing the real thing.
And encourage all our people to do something like this, because if we didn't, there'd be nothing for us to do at home. I just believe that, you know, just because we become kaumātuas doesn't mean to say that we can't do anything. You know, so no, I reckon we need to get it out there, let the people, our people, when I say our people, our Māori people, because we've got too much to offer and we've got a lot to give.